Hello, friends. Let's discuss an important topic from GS3 economy, particularly about the exchange rate and how the Indian firms are shifting to euro and yen swaps, currency swaps for currency hedging. Because currency hedging is an important attempt by these firms to reduce again the vulnerabilities or the volatility associated with the exchange rate. Now, this shift it showcases because we are already seeing that pressure on rupees building up. Rupee has been depreciating. It is at its 1 year low against the dollar. So dollar is strengthening. So when dollar strengthens, most of the currencies depreciates or they weaken. So this offers them better cost competitiveness and hence they are shifting more towards euro and yen swaps. So again, the question arises about the internationalization of rupee or de-dollarization. At the same time, another trend that has been evolving is that euro interest rates they will also go down due to the slowdown which is seen in the eurozone. So the dollar interest rate on the other side they may not fall so significantly. So there is lack of certainty, and because there are a lot of and multiple global factors operating at the same time. The exchange rate volatility is a concern because it is driven by external factors, changes in the geopolitics of the global scenario. So that's all in this video. Thank you so much for joining us. Meet you in the next video with a new topic.